The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Happy Monday to y'all. Last week of April. Guys, this is a pretty big week. We've got obviously Tesla today. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning. We have Tesla today. We have big tech for basically the whole week, Monday through Thursday. We also have FOMC on Tuesday with an announcement on Wednesday. I would expect some volatile trading, would be my guess. Anybody think Tesla goes higher? Just out of curiosity. In any event, guys, good morning. It is Monday. Hope you all had a blessed weekend. The goal is, as always, good morning, John Lee. Good morning. We have Jay Powell speaking again today. Oh my God, this guy is unbelievable. I did not, Stephen. I actually yesterday was. I was in Atlanta yesterday, so no, I did not. Deepak, you have 800 calls on Tesla. Okay. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. Yeah, they're basically 500. The Padres. I mean, they got a great team for sure. And the Dodgers are, probably the class of Major League Baseball. But I'm pretty happy with my Red Sox record. My Mets won again yesterday. Oh, okay. Thought you were saying you had Tesla calls. Hey, guys, it's Monday. We do have a shard of news. I'm not sure. Preliminary market durable goods. It's not 4-star. Retail sales revisions at 10. I don't think any of it's going to affect us overwhelmingly. Gold has pulled back. Just quickly looking at where we're at, we have 1,100 currently, 1,120 some odd sellers in the NASDAQ. We do have about 800 just under buyers in the Russell. I think Russell breaks out. We have a fair amount of sellers in crude, almost 3,000. Small sellers in gold, 300. And the extra slow, just under 1,000 net sellers. I'm not really thinking short. NASDAQ could be a little volatile, but I think that ES is headed toward 4,200 and higher. We'll see. Gold, I mean, it's right on the cusp of breaking out, but it doesn't. Bond yields are up. Dollar index is up. We do have bid in the YM at the moment. Quickly looking at futures. Hang on one second, fellas. There we go. Here's where we're at, guys. Dow futures are currently up 48 points. S&P is down a point. NASDAQ's off 30, call it 6. Russell is up 10. VIX futures down about 0.8%. VIX cash down 2.65%. Good morning, Fahim. So really dead. VIX is low. NASDAQ can trade 906, 911, 923. We could fall right back down to 71, and if we come below 65, 59 has some support, but then 38 area, 838. We'll see what we get there. Gold, just kind of meandering, but a break of 69 half area is going to punish gold. Below 69 half. right there. If that goes, I think gold gets excoriated. Let me see here. GC. Yeah, 65 half is where we could come. 57, 1750. I doubt. 81 right now is pretty good resistance. 81 on gold. Right up here. That's been its resistance. 81, 82 area. Crude pinged off 61.13, but I think we come down closer to 61, maybe just underneath. I doubt we get to 70, 60, 75 or 55. Looks like we go to 33 on a bounce. It's not much from here. Any event? Guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer. Well, don't want that. And we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and your tolerance for risk. See if we can get to 8. 3, 6. 6 is interesting. You got 152 here. Now they're buying 2. If we can get above 3 or 4, we got a shot. NASDAQ's rising. Come on, one more candle and we're good to go. Bottom of that candle is 90. We get to $1.05 and this thing could rocket. My stop is 85, just below the low. If it takes me out, it does. This is your buyers right in here. You got block buyers here at 98. You guys are in order flow. You got a 231 buyer. You have a 25 and a 33 contract buyer. 98. They bought 95, 4, 3, and 98. I'm just looking for the bounce here, guys. We do have news. I don't think it'll affect crude. And we have buyers at 1 and 2. Buying 1. Come on. Buying 2. There we go. No buyers at 3 yet. They are buying 1 and 2. If you guys want some ticks or reduce risk, Trade them as you see fit. We did come off of Pam's yellow level. Let's see him come in and buy. They got to buy it. Durable goods is a miss. Durable goods is a miss. Hang on, guys, 1 second. You got a 110 buyer. They're buying 94. They're buying this zone. This may tag the low again. It may break the low, but when it bounces, I'll look at it again. Now they're buying 91. Block buys here and 94. This is looking to bounce, guys. It may make another dump, but come on. Sellers. Pulled the 68 down. VWAP as well. Come on, get up here. Bottom of this candle is 87. We need to 03. At 03, this will blow. It'll give us another 15 range. Good morning, Magnus. Come on. Give me buyers. So now the problem, we're going to fight these sellers. But they're buying 94. They bought this whole zone, 93 all the way up to 02. Big seller is at 92 and 91. Also down here at 88. Looks like, okay, out on crude, but I'm still looking for the long. Buyers here at 86. We could come 75. I don't think it's coming far. Dang, they're buying them here again. I like the long, but the stop has to be below 60. Still lower. Lower yet. All right, guys. I'm going to try this again at. I want this long. It's going to have to get above 95. I mean, that's. Guys, I'm going to try this long again, but it'll be 96 again. Same spot. It's the same spot. If it gets above 6101, 6120 is a target. Yep, losing buyers again.
Order canceled.
All right, I killed it for a moment. NASDAQ looks like it got that 06 level. Again, buyers in here. 92, got 130 buyers. It's just stuck at 94. Gold's getting a bounce. Yeah, I see that off the bottom. We're oversold down here, but I think gold comes down. We have a 5-tick sequential decline: 142, 118, 95, 54, and 6. This really needs to get bought 95. 60, 95. You dog. guys, I'm going to try this again. Same spot.
Order submitted.
Same spot.
Order filled.
We're going to have to come through 01. Then we deal with 11, point of control. But this 85, if we get to 01, we get a new 15 range candle. Come on, buy them up right here. There we go.
Target filled.
Target 1 filled. 20 final target. 6106. I think I'm going to put this out at VWAP. I don't think it can get there, but you never know. Guys, I had the right trade. I just didn't use the right stop. I should have used the real stop. Be that as it may. Small loser, small winner. Back green. 11 tick loser. We've got a break. 12. Big buyers at the point of control, 127. Big buyer at 07. 191 contracts bought at 07. Then, of course, we have to take these swings if we're going to attempt to get to VWAP. VWAP just got lowered. Nice. Very nice, Gary. This is a subsequent trade, Mac. Got 200 buyers here at 07. This is a subsequent trade. The real trade is below, or the real stop is below 60. I wouldn't use that stop now. I would use low of the day, 85, 84. Or you can go break even, your prerogative. But I'm hoping to get up near VWAP. You got pretty good resistance around 13, 14. I'm not sure we can get through that. We're losing buyers now. Let me take a look at gold. That may be rolling again. No, bond yields are turning down. Got a 109 buyer here. So this would be my buy zone in here, right? On a pullback is where it should bounce. If it pulls back. It may not. Really, we can probably take that all the way down to here. Where's NASDAQ? Above VWAP, right? Candle close above VWAP. Buyers. What's that tell you guys? What does that tell you guys? There you go. Thank you, fellas. There you go. Exactly, Frank. You guys are all right. Every one of you. No, Chris. I would have reacted. Yeah, I would have killed you. Correct, Steve. Correct. Yes, correct, Keith. I mean, the trade is gone now. If you're not in it, it's gone. Bond yields have pulled back. Dollar is still bid. Crude, really, to get anywhere, it has to get above 17. NASDAQ should trade, if you're long NASDAQ, should trade to 27 area next. 23, then 27. 27 was Friday's close. 927 was Friday's close, which is where we should get back to. I mean, I'm hoping VWAP. I'm up at 39, Keith. Way too late, Fahim. So let me see what I've got here. I mean, the zone for me at the moment, right, would be about here. That would be the zone for me now. There is a zone here, which you could take on a pullback. CL's got a shot, right? It's oversold. We got it off the bottom. It's got a shot of VWAP. It should get to 18 to 20, and that's its problem area. 17 to 20 is the problem area for Cruddelicious. Guys, if you would, give me 1 minute, please. Guys, I'm back. We'll get them on the open, fellas. We'll get them. Crude got to 14, pulled back. ZB bot is turning up. Next target up is 23 if you are long, 23, then 27, which is Friday's close. Above 27, you can target 981, which was Friday's high. I think 14,000. There's no reason to short this market other than for a trade. None. In my opinion, yet. Just out of curiosity, let's see what Tesla's doing in pre-market. Tesla's up 10 bucks in pre-market. $10. And we have a long on the gold bot. Did I hear the latest? No, I did not on Elon. No. Good morning, Becky. Same to you. What is the latest on Elon? I did hear that. Yeah, he's going to host Saturday Night Live. I did hear that. Hey, does anybody in the room know if XRP Ripple can be bought? Or have they halted buying because of this SEC lawsuit? Does anybody know? You can't buy it on Coinbase. Why is that, Dijon? I don't know what that means. What does delationary mean? I did read it, Steve. Okay. It's inflatory. I don't even know what inflatory means. You got me on 2 words here. Doesn't happen often. Inflatory? Not sure that's a word. Yeah, I want to buy XRP. It's trading, but you can't buy it on Coinbase for some reason. Can be printed, and crude is coming down. You guys may want to just take your ticks on crude. It's your prerogative if you want to get out. No, Ripple is limited. Ripple has a cap. Dogecoin does not. I'm positive. 15-minute is also turning up. And also bonds, ZB, got first target. Yeah, we got the trade to VWAP if anybody stayed with crude. Let's see. We are failing at VWAP though. Crude failed at V. It's back into support at 94. All right, fellas, couple minutes. Let me get some bots on. We're not going to get an ES trade, I doubt. Fellas. Any questions before we go? Anything, guys? Yeah, I don't see a lot of noise on crude. NASDAQ's bid. They're momentum trades, Lee. Those are momentum trades. It's we'll get to that in class. I mean, you're 4 weeks into it. But those are trades I'll cover in education. All right, we're above yesterday's or Friday's close. Let's see if we can get a pullback on the open and go. Let's see here, guys. Let me see ES. Yeah, that's bid too. ES is headed to 80. Above 80, we could trade 41.90. And NQ is headed to 950. Let's see what we get. 3, 2, 1, and off. We're off, guys. Buyers right in the open. I have 45, but 41, same difference. All right, 23 will probably hold. Let's see what I can find on a pullback. This area in here. I mean, if it goes without us, it goes without us. There's not much I can do, but we're bid across the board. Let's see if we can come back to at least 23. Small green delta now. You've got a 159 and buyers here 140. I got to get a pullback, guys. I'm not buying this here. If you're not in it or we're not in it, we're not in it. It's all buyers though. YM's pulling back. I mean, let's see what we get. I would say YM is long or Russell is long if you guys trade Russell. Waiting on a pullback on NASDAQ. And gold may short. And gold's back into VWAP. All right, NASDAQ, what do you want to do? We held Friday's high close at 27. I was hoping for 23. Crude is bid. Crude's above VWAP with buyers. ES hit that 80 target. If anybody grabbed ES, next level up is 83. My target aligns with Pam's yellow. Come on, man. Give me a pullback. Okay. We just went negative delta again in the NASDAQ. On down. There's 23. Okay. Let's see if we can get. Yeah, that was probably it. 1920. Damn it.
Health Canada's offered its first COVID-19 test for self-testing.
Let it chop around. I don't have a trade. Unless we break out again. I mean, we're going to have to break out above 46, the day high, and there's a trade. Short of that, nothing. Anybody long the ES? The next target's about 83. Guys, on a 5-minute candle, we're doing nothing. 15-minute, nothing. I have nothing. Pulling VWAP up. We do have an unfinished auction down here at 16, 15.75, which I think we'll get. But I really have nowhere to hide a stop. So tough short. I mean, you can take the short with a 47 stop. 17 handles to get 10 on the downside and then maybe some. It's not for me. Qs look like they want to come down to 338 area, 338.90. Yeah, there's an unfinished auction just below just above VWAP, 15.75. Thank you, Pam. No, just NQ.
Politics, another
MNQ.
wheat party.
We're picking up sellers in this 5-minute candle, guys, but we're not really dropping. We're up to 400. I don't see how we can go higher. You know, we're around 400 and just back and forth. We're holding 23. But I really like to see VWAP get tagged. Should have taken 23 twice. ES is bid nicely. Russell. Here comes that short. Should come down and get that. Guys, I have a couple of invoices out, by the way. Some of you guys that are in the room, your invoices are due. I sent them on Saturday. Would you guys kindly take care of those? No, that was an entry that I said when we first opened, I'd like to see a pullback to 23. I got it. It came to 18.5. My stop would have been 07, and it's still holding that 23 area. This is your next long, would be 37, 75, 38 area, but God, there's just nothing in this. But that is, we get above 45, we can start targeting 985. Well, now the day high. We got to blow the day high. There is a trade here at 37.
Order submitted.
Oh, I missed it. There is a trade here. 37 quarter, 38.
Order submitted.
I tried. I missed it. Back up into the day high, and then if we can get through, you know, stop is going to be 15. 15.
Order filled.
All right, so there's the fill. See if this thing can do something. First target, probably about 46.
Target filled.
First target filled, new day high with buyers. So now I got to target 84. I got to target 84. Okay? For a final target. So first target hit and filled. Stop hasn't moved. If you guys want to take your ticks, your prerogative. We have a new 15-minute candle in a minute 30. 981, which was yet Friday's high. That's my final target. May not get there. All right, I closed it out. I closed it out. One target only. We don't have much range between our 68 and the high of the day. We do have a whole ton of buyers right in here, 38 to 40 area. Everybody good on that NASDAQ trade, fellas? You got the big buyers here. You got 308 bought at 40. 308 bought at 40. Okay, Paul. We're new 15-minute. All right, guys. We can take it again at 29 on a pullback, even 30, with a stop at 13.
Order submitted.
God, we can't even get a small pullback. Point of control is 30. All right, Deepak, nice job. Daily goal in already. Nice job. Come on, pull back. Boy, this is a uber slow trade. Not a lot of volume. We came to 30 half.
Order filled.
All right, there's the fill. And stop is going to be 15 again. I can get ticks, but she just doesn't want to go. First target, I'm going to make it 37.50. $37.50 target one. Come on, pop this. Get above 35. Let's go. Pop it. Just won't push that 34. Come on. Fair amount of sellers in here. This is going to push down. Come on. Let's go. Bid it up. Come on. Come on. We're fighting this 105 seller here at 32 quarter. We're fighting the 105 seller. There it is. Got him. Come on. We get one more candle here and this is going. Come on. Come on. Ugh. You guys want to take some ticks? Take some ticks. Normally out of these zones, they bounce really quickly. This is not bouncing out of this zone all that quickly. It's your choice. I would have liked to have seen this go quicker. We cannot get above 32.75. If we break 32.75, it's good. All right, guys, I'm going to kill this trade, I think. I'm out. I'm out of the trade, guys. I'm out. Done. Will not break 32. I mean, it may still go. I just don't want to sit, and it may go now that I'm. If it breaks that 7.5, it's going to go. It stopped there 3 or 4 times. And it's one small seller, a 41 seller. There's nothing there. It's this guy. Got 33 and it still won't pop. There it goes. You're good. You're good now. If you guys stayed with it, you're good. To 37, target 1. There's 37, target 1. You guys are good. Target 1's off. But we're still struggling here. Below the 68, above the point of control, small targets. We're not getting big rebounds. Maybe we need a bigger pullback. Gold is dead quiet. I have nothing there. Bonds has still got the long on. This is the only bot trade still working. First target is filled on ZB. We had a gold trade early. Both targets hit. and that's where we're at. VWAP has been pulled up. I think we got to come down, but we have an unfinished auction down here at 15.75. We're still holding that 23, but we've hit it so many times, I don't think it can hold. Now I kind of like the short down to this 15.75 zone and get that unfinished auction. It's a small trade, but there it is. Oh, a couple ticks shy of the unfinished. There it is, unfinished. There it goes. All right. Let's see what happens around 05. We should get a bounce off 05. Anybody take the short? You got a nice trade here, fellas. Nice, Chris. Okay, guys. All right, fellas. Nice job. I don't see anything on crude. Ticks are flat. ES is probably a small short rolling over. Let me take a look at ES. 9,000 net buyers in ES. The ES long that I see is off 74.50 with a stop at 70. 74.50 on the ES. Let me see what's there. We're going to bounce. We should bounce VWAP just below 74.50. Thank you, Patrick. So damn slow, though. All right, guys.
Order submitted.
ES 74.50. We're not holding. We should hold NASDAQ. Should bounce here. I don't think it breaks 900. If it does, it isn't by much. Block sellers and the ES, but small. 74.50 with a 70. And we didn't get there. We got the 76, 75 half. NQ, I have nothing. We held that 5 area. Not by much. 4 handles, 5 handles. Whoop, we did have block buyers come in here, 56 contracts. They are buying 08. They're buying 08. They bought it again. They bought it again. They bought it again. All right, guys. You guys can try an 08, maybe half long. They bought 08. Target back up to, should go to VWAP and then really 23, probably on the next candle in 40 seconds. Guys, it's slow as molasses. That's all I can tell you. It is slow and slower. Big seller here at 10. Yeah, I'm going to miss that trade.
Order canceled.
If anybody is in the NASDAQ long, well, You should get VWAP and maybe just above, probably in 4 seconds. There's VWAP, got my target. You dog. Anybody long NASDAQ? First target is off. And I didn't get ES. You can close that.
Order canceled.
All right, guys. Nice job. Very nice. Very nice. Got another target up here about 28. 28, just ahead of the swing. And then if you got buyers up the Kazuski, we're going to deal with that swing low.
Order filled.
Order filled where? Okay. So one of the guys in the room sent me a bot that he's traded. This is it. Let's see what it does. What? This is a sim trade here, fellas, just so you know. I'm watching it. Back up to 23. What was support, now resistance. No. Mm-mm. Stuck at VWAP. But we gotta think, we gotta be longs, right? I mean, that's the trade right in there. Just under 3.
Order filled.
Well, it got first target. It got first target. Nice job, Deepak. 1.5 times your daily goal. Time to stop. I mean, especially on a day like today, we don't have much volatility. We don't have much momentum. There's not much going on here. I'm not really looking for shorts. ES didn't get to my area for the trade. NASDAQ should trade back to 45. Yep, it is, Steve. It is. First target. And I have it at break even on the runner.
Stop filled.
Out on the runner on that R2Y. Reload. Let's see. I am, Steve. Yep. First target and out on the runner. Gold, dead quiet. ES would have been a nice trade if we could have gotten it. Gotta be long NASDAQ, guys. We're above VWAP. And there's another target right about here, 28. If anybody is in it. Got that. Now we got to cross VWAP. We're going higher. We're going to 45. It's just going to be a slow, arduous grind to 45. Dollar is still steaming. Anybody holding longs NASDAQ? Okay, guys. I mean, if you're holding it from that 08, you got to trade. This is a hell of a trade. 30 handles plus. Got some, 41. Nice job, Kirk. Nice job. We're at Pam's orange dots, orange level. Nice job, Tim. Double daily goal. I mean, there's been a few trades here, guys. It's really slow. We should get to 45. There's basically 45 with 165 buyers on top, 166 buyers on the top of the candle. We're trading in a fairly small range. But we've gone red, green, delta. It's kind of back and forth trade, right? Nice job, Kirk. 2 times your daily goal. Nice job. Nice. Shouldn't have anybody that's lost money today. My guys, I think we go 84, and I really think we can see 14,000 and change today. What's that, Caleb? What's that? I'm not sure how. Unless you're you're passing on trades. Oh, missed. Okay. Well, you still got longs on NASDAQ, guys. Unfortunately, I'm not. This is not a trade that I like up here now, but we're still longs. Nothing's changed. Pullback again. It's still around 23 now. Yeah, it was, Doug. I showed it on. I showed it. I said they were buying 05. Right here, buying 05. 191 buyers. The Supreme Court will hear a case on concealed handguns. It's been over a decade since they've ruled on significant case concerning the right to bear arms. That should be interesting. 932. You mean on the move up? Okay, on the pullback. Yeah, I agree. So you have a buy zone in this whole area. You got 400 buyers on the top of the candle. We're going higher. We're going higher, fellas. They're buying the high of the candle. That's bullish. Once we blow through here, they're buying it still. There we go. Now you can target 84 if you're long. Here's your small buy zone. Right here, if you guys want an aggressive entry, is off that 490 buyer. I don't care about overbought, oversold. I do not care. I care about buyers and sellers. I'm sure you've heard the adage, the markets can stay overbought or oversold longer than you can stay solvent, right? I won't take it up here. I'm interested in a pullback, but they're buying 45 like banshees. Here, look.
Order submitted.
Oh, and I missed it. I missed it.
Order canceled.
They're buying 45. Your next target is 84. 81, which was Friday's high. 81. If you guys are holding, this is from 05. Unless we can get a pullback, and they didn't buy 45 on that press down. They bought 531 contracts here at 45. Why do they want 45? I don't know. All right, now let's see if we can get a small pullback. don't know why gold is moving lower. The dollar is pulling back. Bond yields are falling. Gold should be bid. It's not, but it should be. Somebody wanted 30, somebody wanted 45, fellas. They bought that's a huge number. 500 contracts. Let me see where Tesla's at, just for the hell of it. Tesla's up $5. $45 is your support off those buyers. Best stop I have at the moment, guys, is probably 17.
Order submitted.
There's 45. And I don't think it's coming back there. I mean, this looks like it's bouncing 46 quarter. 47. You got buyers right up in here. All right, I'll cancel that for now.
Order canceled.
15 seconds to the next candle. Qs look like they can push up to 40.82 or at 40.12. And buyers again. Oh, Welski. Here it comes again. Winding up. Got nothing on gold. All right, let's see if we get a pullback into this little zone or even slightly lower. That's your big buyer right there, 45. Golly, it won't even pull back. Won't pull back 5 handles. If you guys are in it, you're in great shape. If you're not in it, I'm trying to find an entry. It's going to push up again. It's going to push up again. Golly. Can't even get that pullback. Bonds are pushing higher. Bots working towards second target. It's almost there. Actually, it hit second target. Did not fill. $84, guys, is your target on the NASDAQ. We get above 60 and the NASDAQ's going to rip. There's 59.7
Unit fell.
bonds got second target. Both targets filled on ZB. Bots are up 1.626 and 25 cents. Got to break 60. If you're holding longs, your target is 80, call it 81, which was Friday's high. 81. Gold. Let me look at something else here, guys. Gold. We may get a GC long. Got to get above 77. NASDAQ broke 60, guys. ES breakout above 87. You're welcome, Chris. See you tomorrow. Nice job, Paul. See you tomorrow. I mean, this NASDAQ has an aversion to a pullback today. There we go. Come on. Bounce the top of the zone, 46 quarter. Guys, we did education last week, and I talked about this. You see how we bounced the top of the zone? It's in the video. See how we bounced the top of that zone? We didn't even get a pullback to the 45 where the buyers are. Guys, I'm asking a question. You guys see that? If you guys are in order flow, damn it, I just missed another trade.
Order submitted.
7.9 on the ES with a stop at 7.4. 7.4. Got a 150 buyer here at 56. I mean, that's a skinny little trade, but great delta. I don't see, I mean, there's just no stacked buyers unless now we, come on down, you stink face. You guys, if you want to get aggressive, 55, 55 half is the play. You can take it long. That's an aggressive entry. And I missed that too because I'm outlining the trade for you. If you took the 40, I mean, 55 was another one. And I tried to get it.
Order canceled.
You got it? Okay, Frank. Another 10 points. It's going, guys, it's going to 81. I'm trying to get, the smallest entry I can get. Right? Here's your zone now. It's a fairly big zone. And I'm, myopically focused on numbers. Look, as long as you guys are green, that's all I care about. Small scalp again in here, 59. All right, Todd, see you tomorrow. 81's your target, 81 to 84. And then I'm, nice job, Frank. Not going to get the ES at 79.
Order canceled.
You're welcome, Tim. Well, it's nice when we don't have trials, and I mean, it doesn't happen often. Uh, 77 was your entry on gold. Nice job, Lee. Very good job. This is 58.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm chasing this thing like a rabbit now. Nice job, Dave. Still long from 11. Nice job. I can't even chase this thing and catch it. I think you're going to get 980. I mean, you've got 50 points in here. Well, I gave it at 05, Ray. I mean, it's
Spread coming up at the bottom of the hour, we get April balance Fed activity expected at 30.0, prime is 28.9.
still didn't fill me.
Order filled.
All right, sellers now. I'll try to get first target around 65. Come on, push it up. I'm getting all the dink and dunk scalps. You guys got all the trades. Come on, give me one more candle. Nope. Come on, buddy. This just will not break the top of the candle at 62 quarter here. What am I fighting? Nothing. 152 seller at 60 quarter. This could come down to 52. I mean, real stop is all the way back at 40. That's the real stop. Got buyers here. Net delta is increasing, 1550. Come on, one more push. Just give me one push. Nope. Yeah, mine didn't fire, but I see the winner. I don't know why it didn't fire, Steve, but I see it. Come on, NASDAQ. New candle on the 30. Still won't break here above 62 quarter. If it gets above that 62 quarter, come on. There's some buyers. All right, you're going to get me out of this damn trade. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out, guys. No blood. I'm out. I'm out. This can go. I mean, I chased it 3 times. There it goes. If it gets above 62 quarter, you'll get targets. It's just trying to work off overbought up here. Small sellers, decent delta. I still like that 79
Order submitted.
on the ES, but we're at 82. We're just trading sideways here. Let me open this up. Ha! That's awesome, Tim. Your two kids are trading. That is awesome. All right, Marco. Manana. Ciao. See you tomorrow. Guys, fairly ugly little pullbacks here. We're not getting much. Let's see if we can tag 47.5. See you tomorrow, Ray. Nice job, Ray.
Order submitted.
That's the 68 here, guys.
Order canceled.
So what I'd like to see is a move down through the 68 and a pop back up. Yeah, we're not coming anywhere though, Dijon. We're not coming down. Not very far. All right, 9 seconds to the next candle. 15-minute candles right in the middle of nowhere. April, Dallas. Come on, come tag that. God dang. All right. Gonna tag. Let's tag that 68 if we can. We can't. And get a bounce out of there. Dallas Fed 37.3 up from 25 or something like that. 30 expectation. That's it. Tag the 68 once. Boy, I'd like to see a pullback to 915. I don't think so, though. I don't think we come much below 45, fellas. ES does not want to come back to 479. Gold is gone. 77 was our entry there. Crude, quiet as a church. I'm looking at ticks. They're dead flat. Negative 100, negative 95, nothing on the ticks. Q's support is 339.84. We're at 340.20. Thank you, Chris. Let's see if we can tag that. We've pulled it up. We may break through, but I do not think we're coming lower than this zone here, 45. I don't know that we even get there. We're red on the bottom of the candle. All buyers up here. And this 5-minute range is minuscule. All right, let me see what happens at 45. We tag the 68 at 49 and bounce. Yeah. You may get a small scalp in here, but higher lows all up through here. 47. Come on, hit that buy zone. That small little buy zone. We hit it. And we hit 45.50. Guys, I'm looking for the long, not the short. If we pop back above 50 half, you'll get a small trade out of that. We're into that buy zone. This is where I think we stop, right there. I'll wait till the next candle. We're below, it just ticks below the 68, but 50 half on a move back above the 68. They've been bleeding out for the last 12 minutes.
Order filled.
Okay, 50 half. Stop has to be 31. 31. Draghi is speaking. Come on. Got to get above 52.50. Target 157.50. It's not much. Come on. This thing won't go 2 more ticks. Got some buyers losing them. Come on back in now. Get back in. Guys, we're 130 range. There it is. Oh, hit target. Did not fill. Nice job, Paul. If we break out above this small resistance at 58.75, 58.50, we can target high of the day. It's got, buyers. Still won't go. 2 more ticks. One contract traded at 57.5. There it is. Target filled. Okay, now we can go. Right out of the buy zone again, fellas. I can't make up the zones, right? Here's where it came from, back here.
Order canceled.
Anybody long from that 51.50? Anybody long? Okay, Dijon. All right, guys. I mean, we're just not getting the same oomph we had. We could pull back. President Biden has no plan. This is good news. President Biden has no plans to limit red meat intake. Good for him. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm done. Good for him. I don't even know what that's about, but anybody know? Guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right. Trades. Actually, I think 2 trades. A bond trade and a gold trade. And the bots are up 16.26 and a quarter. It does not include Steve's RTY bot, which for me took 1 trade. It caught this, but it did not catch this. I don't know why. 215. That's a Unirenko. That's why. Never mind. God darn it. We just missed this again. We missed it here by a couple of ticks and here by 4.
Order canceled.
Very nice job, Steve. That's where we're headed. 81 to 84 and then higher. I don't know how we don't see 14,000. Today, tomorrow. Tesla's up $10 now. If Tesla blows through 750, guys, that could go a mile. A mile. Apple's up 41 cents, Amazon up 650, Microsoft up small, Facebook up 289. Can't get a damn pullback and can't get a sell-off to save our lives. Can't we just get a 2,000-point dump? Dogecoin back to 27 cents. We're coming into the top of the hour. We may get a... Here is the long entry if we get a pullback between 55 and 60. Either way, your stop is going to be 41. If we get that pullback, 41. I like it around 58. Now, again, if you guys have made your day, think about what you're doing, right? 58 with a 41, and we are coming into the top of the hour. So if you've got a great day going and you're still heck bent on taking risk, scale down. Do not give away your day. We're about done. We have 1,800 net buyers on the day, guys. We may not even get to 58. Boy, I cannot get a stinking pullback into another zone. 61 quarter. 61 and a quarter. This is the zone as I see it. Right there. I'm trying to get about the middle of the zone. And he doesn't get it. Again. Comes to 58.50. I'm going to move that down a little bit, fellas. No, I'm not. I'll take the heat. Again, if you guys have made your day, think about what you're doing. Look at this dog. Oh, Welsky. Guys, to date, or through 10:54 a.m., I had one losing trade, and that was the first trade on crude. So if guys haven't made any money, or you've made $10, or I don't know what you got to tell me the reason for it. I have not had a losing trade. So here's the problem, or here's what happens. Oftentimes, traders will take an entry. They won't hold till target. They won't hold till the right stop. And they'll take 10 ticks when they could have had 60 ticks. Then you place the onus on me to try to find more trades. I don't know what to tell you. We're in a pretty slow time of day here. This is all I see. But if you have made your day, think about what you're doing. We're coming into the top of the hour. If we're going to get a pullback, it's going to be now. I don't think we come much more than 56, but I could be, again, God knows I've been wrong plenty. To answer your question, I am planning on being on Skype later today. Yes. But if we continue to trade like this, there isn't much to do.
Order filled.
Order filled. Oh, that's on that new bot. Let's see what she do. Mac. You're welcome, Gary. Guys, I missed another dang long entry by 2 stanking ticks. 2 stanking ticks. Now, this is the problem, with zones, right? I'm trying to get it somewhere around the middle of that zone, toward the bottom of the zone, with an expectation of a bounce. And I missed it by 2 stanking ticks. Yes, sir, Lee. Yes, sir. I still think it'll pick it up. But we have all net buyers in the candle. And then when we get sellers, it's like 6. We have 1,900 net buyers on the day. This is a oobla. Just a pain in the neck. And there goes this RTY bot again. $59. 4 ticks. Look at this. You are a stink dog. Oh, 1 tick. 1 tick. 58 quarter. 1 tick. I'm a Richard. I'm a Richard for sure. I have mine, of course, that I'm still trading, which is here. And I have this, which was sent to me by a member who has had great success with it. This would be the 4th trade, I believe, today. 3rd trade, of which, again, because it's a Unirenko, it's a hollow candle. I did not get that fill, or else it would have been, and this just came 1 tick from target. I mean, first, yes, we'll see how it pans out. Of course, look at this stinking little no good. You are a rat bag. Hit me to the 58 quarter. Still can't get it. Still can't get it. Dun, da, da, da. Ah, God, that's painful. Ah, that hurts. Just a 10 handle bounce. There's my 81 target. We're going to 84 next. I'm a complete and utter chooch for a tick. No, MNQ and NQ are as similar as day and night. They don't trade tick for tick. They don't trade the same. No. I've seen MNQ have huge negative delta and NQ have a huge positive delta, and vice versa. But if you have an unfinished auction at 913.25, I wouldn't even be considering trading toward that unless we start selling off. Yeah, I know, Deepak. I'm a Richard. I said it. One of the guys said it, actually. But for those of you, is there anybody that needs an interpretation for Richard? Probably not, right? You don't know what a Richard is? Let's wrap it up for today. One losing trade on the session. Nice job, Steve. Yeah, absolutely. I will see you guys later on Skype. Everybody made money, though, today, correct? If somebody did not, nice job, Dustin. Jeez, you're just tearing it up. I'm thrilled for you. Did anybody not make money today, guys? Everybody's green, right? I will see you guys on Skype this afternoon. We kind of need a pullback here, fellas. I mean, it's got to come back. Here's what I see right now. Let me leave you with this. NQ on a pullback to about 56, 57 area with a stop at 39. That's all I see. That could change in the next few hours. I'm going to eat lunch. I will see you guys on member Skype a little bit later. Be blessed, fellas.